Tree lights flicker on the glass, takeout boxes, crooked star. Mom's old playlist starts to play that same soft intro from the car. Then the speakers crackle in, and the room just kinda glows. First few notes and I can hear little silver bells in the snow. You crawl across the living room, one sock on the other gun. I'm trying to tape this strand of lights, but I just keep holding on. Christmas sounds like family, all these voices overtuned. Hear the bells jingle, jingle, run in circles through the room. I'm telling you about Santa, Saint Nicholas, and all he's done. But what it really means to me is everyone breathing as one. Your grandpa laughs too loud again, burnt the cookies, claims they're fine. Someone spills hot chocolate on that sweater I said was mine. You tug my sleeve, you point up high at that